Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product I want to share with you is an absolutely great gaming mouse. So it is by a company called Machenike, and this is the L8 Pro model. Here's the box that it comes in. Now, once you open it up, you are naturally going to get some instructions. We're going to go over a lot of the features here in the video. You also are going to get this nice long USB to USB Type-C cable here with a little cloth outside. You're going to utilize this to plug in the docking station, or if you wish to connect the mouse directly to your computer via like hardwire, you can use this also. Now, you are going to get two of these little sticky pad extra grips that you can put on the side of the mouse if you wish. I have chosen not to utilize them because it works just fine as itself, but if you want that extra grip, they do include these. Then you're going to get the mouse docking station set up, and here it is. I have it currently plugged in. You can see here on the bottom, it has a bunch of LED lights that change colors. There is a button on the bottom of the docking station that will let you cycle through those color options in just different modes, so you can kind of customize it to what you want. On the front there, you can see there is a dongle, so you can plug this in and connect the mouse via Wi-Fi if you wish. And then you can, those are the two charging ports, and then on the back is where you plug it in to charge it up. Now, as far as the mouse itself, so on the underside, it has easy glide pads. It's super easy to utilize that. You're going to see in the center, that's the two little prongs where it will charge up the battery. To the left-hand side here, my left is a little button. That button's going to change the DPI settings. So this mouse has 6 different customizable DPI settings, and it goes from 2600 is the max setting, which is really nice because that means depending on your game, you can really affect that sensitivity of that mouse cursor. And it's a great customizable feature. So if you're doing you're not playing games and you want to bring it down, you just simply tap that button, which is a great feature. It also has a 650 IPS, which max sensitivity speed. So then on the other side here, you're going to have a little kind of switch, and that switch is going to give you 2 options. So you're going to have the dongle that connects just a little Wi-Fi locally, or you can also use Bluetooth and connect via that way, so you have nothing plugged into your computer when you are utilizing the Bluetooth mode. Now, because it is a gaming mouse, it has ultra low latency at 0.5 milliseconds, and it also has a 2000 HC polling rate, if that is important to you. To get that, you have to use the dongle connection. The Bluetooth, I believe, is slower. Now, the mouse itself, as you can see, also has built-in LED lighting. On the front there is where you can manually plug in the cord if you want to charge it up directly, or if you want to manually plug it into your computer, you can do that also. Now, you do have a left and right click button on the top. On the one side, you have an up and down button. So you can go, it basically will go forward or backwards on a web page, or you can also customize all these buttons via their software. I have not utilized their software, so I'm not sure how well that works, but that is a feature out there. If you want, you can reassign these if you choose. Now, you can see on the sides here, it has a nice kind of texture, which makes it great for gripping. It also has this little spot here to rest your thumb on, which just makes it super, super comfortable to hold. One of the reasons I also like it. Now, on the center here is a button. So what this button is going to do is the scrolling wheel has 2 functions, which is kind of cool. So the first one is it's got this clicking sound. And so it gives you this tactile feedback of as you are scrolling. It also kind of slows down the scrolling a little bit. But if you want free flow scrolling, just press that button, and then there's no resistance or kind of nodules that you're feeling. It just kind of goes and goes and goes. So nice little feature there, real quick to hit, so you can switch between them as you wish. But overall, it's a great little compact mouse. Give you an idea of battery life. So with all the lights on, it's going to be about 40 hours of battery life. Without the lights, it's going to be about 85 hours of battery life. However, it's so easy to charge. I just basically, when I'm not utilizing it, set it on the charging station because I just leave this plugged in off in the corner. So that's a nice feature. It does have an auto off after 3 minutes, so that also helps save the battery life. But like I said, if you are in the market for a great gaming mouse setup with a nice little charging dock, I think this one is totally worth checking out. If there's something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.